Welcome to this presentation on femtosecond laser micro drilling of cooling holes on thermal barrier coated titanium alloy for aero engine application. This research was conducted by T. Jagadesh and P. Deepu and published in 1st September 2023. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. 1. Titanium alloy is widely used in aero engine components due to its high temperature strength and resistance. To improve performance, aero engine manufacturers aim to increase working temperatures, necessitating thermal barrier coatings (TBCs) on titanium alloys. Drilling thousands of micro holes on TBC turbine blades is crucial for cooling and preventing overheating. Conventional micro drilling methods face challenges with TBC titanium alloys due to layer properties and material characteristics. This study utilized a Ti6Al 4V titanium alloy substrate coated with NiCOCrAly bond coat and yttria stabilized zirconia top coat. A femtosecond laser system was employed to drill micro holes of 100 lumen diameter. Experiments varied laser energy density (LED), pulse repetition rate (PRR), and scanning speed (SS) using both concentric circle and zigzag scanning strategies. Hole circularity was measured using SEM micrographs and specific equations. Concentric circle scanning resulted in higher hole circularity at both entry and exit sites compared to zigzag scanning. Lower LED generally improved entry hole circularity. Higher PRR decreased circularity due to melt deposition. Increased scanning speed also improved entry hole circularity. A taper angle, LED had the most significant impact, with higher LED generally increasing the taper. PRR also influenced taper angle, while scanning speed had a minimal effect. The concentric scanning strategy S superior circularity is attributed to uniform laser energy distribution. Higher LED led to more aggressive ablation, increasing taper angle and surface roughness due to phenomena like phase explosion and plasma plume effects. Increased PRR caused thermal accumulation and melt deposition, degrading circularity and increasing surface roughness. Femtosecond laser drilling is effective for creating micro cooling holes in thermal barrier coated titanium alloy. The concentric scanning strategy consistently provided better hole circularity than zigzag scanning. Laser energy density was the most influential parameter for taper angle, while scanning strategy significantly impacted hole circularity.